Hi, crystal lovers. I want to talk to you about the Selenite Master Healer Kit. This is something that is super easy to do. If you guys practice it every single day, you're going to find that your auric field starts getting really strong and the energy of light around you starts getting really strong. And what's important about that is that you're able to be in a resonance of light and you can manifest quicker. But what happens is when you are in an energy of light, you feel good, you feel more protected, you feel powerful. It's just all good. And I want you guys to try this technique. And if you have friends that you love or family members that you love, share this with them. It's something that we can all do right now that is something super positive. You could raise the light in your own energy field, but then again, you're spreading the light and you're teaching people tools on how to navigate life in this crazy world we're in. But the most important thing is to anchor your light and spread the light. And it's a simple thing that you could do on a daily basis. So what do you need? You need 6 selenite pieces, okay? And I like these because they're all the same size and it makes it really easy to kind of keep them together and to navigate. So what I like to do is, if you can, just details, you don't have to do it this way, but I always like to face east. East is where the energy is rising. It's how the sun rises in the east. But I like facing east when I'm doing spiritual work or I'm setting intentions or all that kind of fun stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to place 4 of them in front of you, to the sides, behind you, and so you have 4 of them around you, okay? And so what I like to do is I have one in front of me, back of me, and both sides. So if you make them, so what happens is it's kind of a little bit of a big circle. That means that that's your auric field. So that's the energy that you're moving out to the very end of the selenite. That's your sphere of column of what you're created. Then you take 2 more selenite pieces and you hold them in your hands, okay? So what I like to do at this point is you can put a timer on because you're going to be repeating a mantra. And so what happens is if you put a timer on, then you could just go into that flow and keep repeating it and repeating it until the timer goes off. My suggestion would be to do it for 7 minutes if you can. If you don't have 7 minutes, please at least do it for 3 minutes because you want to get into a rhythm. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, I breathe in the light. So you're going to go, I breathe in the light and breathe it in. And you could say this in your head. And then you breathe out, I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. Okay. So while you're doing this, you're envisioning light going around you. So you're envisioning light. So you're envisioning light going from this selenite to this selenite to this selenite to this selenite to this selenite. So the energy of white light is going in a clockwise position, okay? And then I'll show you how you move your hands. But the reason and you keep repeating the mantra, okay? I breathe in the light, I am the light. I breathe in the light, I am the light. And what happens is while you're saying that, you might feel like there's pockets within your sphere of light that have little holes in it. Keep saying the mantra, okay? So what I like to do is I will stand with my hands here, and before I start the mantra, I say, I enter the portal of light. And what I do is right now I'm like grounding my feet into the ground, and I envision like a disc above me of light that's going up, up, up. And it's a huge column of light that I'm commanding it. I am entering the portal of light. So then right now, you're going to set your timer. They're 3 or 7 minutes. We're going to start. We're not going to do the whole thing today. I just want to walk you through it. I'm going to be saying it out loud, but you could say it to yourself. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. And you're going to keep saying that and you keep seeing the column of light going clockwise around you. And after you've done that for a little while, you're going to start raising your hands. You're saying the same thing. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. You're still seeing this sphere going around you, clockwise column energy. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. You could be saying this to yourself because you're like, I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. So what I'm doing is I'm raising my hands and I get to a V position because I'm going up. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I'm raising the energy field of light. And then what I do at the very top is I connect the selenite together. And I'm still saying it. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. And you will start seeing almost a circle of light around you. I could see it right now. I've been doing this for a few minutes already before. And it starts getting really strong. So keep saying it, repeating it. Keep doing this. Bring your arms here. Keep doing the mantra. You could bring your arms back down. If you still have time and the timer hasn't gone off, you could even move around in the circle. And just what happens is you're building your light. I breathe in the light. I am the light. I breathe in the light, and you keep on doing it. Keep moving. And then when your timer goes off, no matter where you are is fine. I'm just going to turn back to the east again. Oh, here it is. And what happens is at the very end, the timer goes off, and then you just put your hands over your heart, turn your timer off, bam, and just sit there for 1 second. You will feel different. You will have built your auric field. You will feel so good. You will feel it light. And if you do this, I promise, try it for 7 days straight, okay? Feel the energy. Start seeing what happens when you're shielding yourself with light. How fast you can manifest. How fast your healing abilities start just accelerating. So please, please work with the selenite. It is the energetic medicine of today's times. It is something that we could do now. And when we're in a field of light and we project healing prayers, energies, visions for things that we want to have good on our planet, good for other people, it happens in light speed. Enjoy.